The all-new Yamaha DT 250 has been unveiled, marking a significant moment for adventure and off-road enthusiasts. Yamaha has taken a bold step in reimagining this iconic dual-sport motorcycle, blending modern technology with its legendary ruggedness and simplicity. The 2025 Yamaha DT 250 promises to offer a perfect balance of performance, versatility, and style, making it a strong contender in the growing segment of lightweight adventure bikes. At the heart of the Yamaha DT 250 lies a newly developed 250cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine, designed to deliver robust power and impressive fuel efficiency. This engine ensures smooth and consistent performance across various terrains, from paved city streets to remote trails. Yamaha has focused on refining the engine to provide responsive throttle control and a linear power band, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned riders. The chassis of the DT 250 has been meticulously engineered to enhance durability and handling. It features a lightweight frame that improves maneuverability while maintaining structural integrity. The suspension system has been upgraded with long travel front forks and a rear monoshock, offering excellent ground clearance and comfort on uneven surfaces. This setup ensures the DT 250 can handle rough trails, rocky paths, and high-speed runs with ease. Yamaha has also equipped the DT 250 with a range of modern features to meet the needs of today's riders. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, including speed, fuel level, trip meter, and even navigation assistance. LED lighting enhances visibility during night rides while consuming less power. Additionally, the DT 250 comes with dual-purpose tires, which offer exceptional grip and stability on both on-road and off-road terrains. Design-wise, the Yamaha DT 250 retains its rugged and minimalist aesthetic, paying homage to its heritage. The sharp lines and compact bodywork give it a contemporary edge, while the bold graphics and vibrant color options make it stand out in any setting. The slim seat and ergonomic handlebar positioning provide a comfortable riding posture, ensuring fatigue-free adventures over long distances. Safety has been a key focus in the development of the DT 250. The inclusion of advanced braking systems, such as disc brakes with optional ABS, ensures precise stopping power in various conditions. This makes the bike not only capable but also reliable for those challenging off-road expeditions. Yamaha has also considered the practical aspects of ownership. The DT 250 is built to be low maintenance, with easily accessible components for routine checks and services. Its fuel efficiency and affordable price point make it an attractive option for budget-conscious riders who don't want to compromise on performance or capability. With the unveiling of the 2025 Yamaha DT 250, Yamaha has once again reaffirmed its commitment to providing versatile and reliable motorcycles for adventurers worldwide. Whether you're a city commuter looking for a fun weekend ride or an off-road enthusiast ready to tackle challenging trails, the DT 250 is a machine that promises to deliver an unforgettable riding experience.